Hello guys, this is Home Tips. Today I show you how to buy a eSIM that will work in Netherlands. The link and coupon will be in the description. Alright, and open description and copy coupon and click on link eSIM and open voyafly.com, right? And write this Netherlands and click on this and open new page and unlimited 4G 5G data. Alright, this is good, and scroll down this service number 1 for eSIM and click on unlimited data or fixed data. I recommend unlimited data and choose a speed plan light, plus or premium. I recommend plus, maybe premium, right? Premium, and select days and click on click on 30 days and click on buy it now. Alright, and open new page and write discount code ROAM tips and click on apply and order discount ROAM tips, this dollars, this very good price, and click on Google Pay and open new page and buy a SIM or write email, write payment, write billing address and click on buy now and open new page and buy eSIM, and that's all. Subscribe and give me a like if this video helps you, because your feedback helps me. Bye bye.